I'm going to make something to bleed lifters, okay? I've been doing it this way for quite a while, but I made a video a long time ago under another account about bleeding lifters and performing it the way I do, bleeding them the way I do. And, well, anyways, so this is how I made it, and here's a short video. I'll probably be editing this video or whatever, but here it goes. So I'm basically going to press this in. And, so I'm basically going to press this in, and I'm going to glue it. Just some JB Weld or whatever. All right. Just some 4-minute epoxy. And yeah, just make sure you mix it well. And this is just a fitting I had laying around. You know, it's just a barb, or not, it's a barb fitting and NPT, nothing special, brass, local hardware stores. All right. There you go. All right. As that is setting up, I'm going to show you the lifters. And these are old new stock that I had purchased a while back. And I probably should have purchased 3 times as much as what I did, just so I don't have a problem locating a specific lifter in the future. These are Magnum lifters for a small block Chrysler, and you know, it has a dot, so you know, face them up. And so I found these, and it was quite a find because I was looking for a long time. I actually bought like 10 different styles of lifters, and I finally ordered a lifter that was exactly what I was looking for, and a direct replacement for Magnum. Okay, it's got the snap ring, it's got the big orifice, and I did take these apart. I actually made a video of taking these apart. Okay, so I'm sorry if I wasn't in the picture there. I should have. Let me move this. But anyways, yeah, this has the shelf. Okay, it's not just a flat piece. These are the tall ones. It's got the wider surface here. Yeah, and it does have the perimeter oiler. Okay, because you know, Dodges, they have that weird degree push rod angle, so it side loads the lifter, and that's what ultimately blows these things out. Not these in particular, this style, but the cheaper replacements you get, those ones I'm talking about. So and just to show you the other lifters that I purchased, these are originals, Magnums. Let's put a pin in that for a second. So just to recap one of my older videos, and I went through them one by one. Here's an original Magnum lifter. It's got 349,000 miles on it. Okay? That's the shelf I'm talking about. The height there. Okay? And I go through this in the other video, so I'm not really going to take too much time with it. But yeah, that's the original one. Almost 350,000. Here's the Mopar replacement ones, okay? Junk. Junk. I took this thing apart. It's got the small orifice. It's got a little shelf. Can't hold much or surface area there. It's thinner. It has a Mopar mark. I wouldn't. This is why I order one of them. And here's another one. Took this apart. This one's garbage. Okay. Not good. Supposed to be Magnum replacements. Here's the ones that I ordered this one, okay, and it came like this, and this one looked good, so I ordered a bunch more. This is one of the ones that I first purchased. Yeah, see, I took this one apart. And mind you, these aren't cheap. These original ones, you're gonna pay. Okay. Here's some others. Garbage. Supposed to be replacements. And there's others here. Three. Don't know the difference between the yellow and blue. Just a mark. Nothing special. Now, okay, alright, this one put me for a loop, alright? This lifter right here, even though it came in a Cleveite box, look at it. Look at it. It is not the same. Look where the feet is. Roller position. Okay? Look at the difference. Huge difference. And hopefully I ordered another one because, you know, and that came out of a Cleveite box. So be careful what you're ordering. I got 5 in here right now. 5, 6, 7. Five, 6, 7, 8, and 8 is 15. I gotta order another one. No big deal. Another one. Another bum one. Gotta check this stuff. Kicking myself in the butt now that I didn't check it. Another one. Ah, look at that. Look at this. Has the same cut. Okay. See? It's different. Okay. See that? Look at that. Yep, that one's good. So I got to order 5 more. All right. Back to the drawing board. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and soak these, and I'm going to show you what I do to bleed these. It's real simple, all right? And if you got a car in your shop that's running, it gets even more easy. All right. Let this cool off. Because when you heat this up, you get it hot. I put it on top of the heater. And if you heat that epoxy up and then you cool it off, it'll really harden that epoxy fast and cure it. I'm going to go grab some things, some oil, and I'll be back. Just have to put oil. Here's some just off-the-shelf 530 stuff. Nothing special, STP. Okay. All right, so the reason why I do that is because it makes it easier for you to get these lids on and off, okay? And it really does a decent job of really sealing it too. All right, see that? It's got a whole mess of lifters in there. So, see if I can get the right angle here. I'm going to apply vacuum to the top. And this is when I say, you know, if you got a running car in the shop, it makes it a lot easier because you'll see all the bubbles just purge themselves out of the lifters. And you just hook it up to the intake vacuum as the car's running. All right, so I'm going to apply vacuum, and you're going to see the bubbles purge from the lifter. See? Sorry about the shaking. Yeah, I'm just keeping steady vacuum. Okay. See? and it's fast. I don't have time to pump up lifters and wait for them to soak overnight. You throw them in a jar, add oil, add vacuum, done. No waiting. Too busy to wait. Let the air again. Okay. See how the level went down in the jar? The level went down in the jar because them vacuum pocket, those air pockets in there, that vacuum basically it neutralized in the atmospheric pressure, and that oil found its way into the center of the lifter. That's it. Done. So that's it. A couple more times doing that. And you're done. You want to keep them in the jar? Keep them in the jar. You want to use them right away? Use them right away. That's how I do it. Hope that helps. And I got to order me some more lifters. That sucks. All right. Time to get a hold of this guy and hopefully he'll do something. I doubt it, but whatever. I'll see you next time.